Welcome everyone. Neej Bhang Raj Yoga in a birth chart. Neej means debilitated and Bhang stands for cancellation. So, Neej Bhang of a planet, cancellation of debilitation of a planet. When a planet is debilitated in a birth chart, its power to give results gets compromised. It fails to show its true potential in the birth chart. But if this debilitation gets cancelled, planet will regain its strength and starts giving you good results. And this is called Neej Bhang Raj Yoga. Neej Bhang Raj Yoga has potential to make you rich, famous, successful, enjoying all comforts in life in its Mahadasha and Antardasha. Like Raj Yoga, if Neej Bhang Raj Yoga is formed in Kendra houses and Trikona houses of the birth chart, it becomes more powerful and more effective. In Vedic astrology, we have 12 Rashis or 12 signs and 7 planets. Sun rules only one Rashi, Leo, number 5. And Moon rules only one Rashi, Cancer, number 4. Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. Each of them rules 2 Rashis or 2 signs. Mars rules Aries and Scorpio. Mercury rules Gemini and Virgo. Jupiter rules Sagittarius and Pisces. Venus rules Taurus and Libra. And Saturn rules Capricorn and Aquarius. Sun is debilitated in Libra, sign number 7. Moon is debilitated in Scorpio, sign 8. Mars is debilitated in Cancer, sign 4. Mercury is debilitated in Pisces, sign 12. Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn, sign 10. Venus is debilitated in Virgo, sign 6. And Saturn is debilitated in Aries, sign 1. And each planet gets exalted 7 places away from its sign of debilitation. Understand this with example. Sun is debilitated in Libra, sign number 7. So Sun will be exalted in Aries, sign number 1, 7 places away from Libra. Moon is debilitated in Scorpio, sign number 8. So Moon will be exalted in Taurus, sign number 2, 7 places away from number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the same way, Mars is exalted in Capricorn, sign 10. Mercury will be exalted in Virgo. Jupiter is exalted in Cancer. Venus will be exalted in Pisces. Saturn will be exalted in Libra, sign number 7. If we have one or more planets as debilitated in the birth chart, how we can cancel their debilitation? In Vedic astrology, there are some rules given by ancient scholars which help us to cancel the debilitation of the planet. And once this debilitation gets cancelled, planet starts giving good results to the person. Rule 1. A planet achieves Neej Bhang in a birth chart if Lord of the house where the planet is debilitated is in Kendra from Moon. Understand this rule with example. This is the birth chart of a Gemini ascendant. In every birth chart, this house will be treated as first house. And now move in anti-clockwise direction. Second house, third house, fourth house, 7th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So in first house is mentioned number 3. Lagna or ascendant is Gemini. And Gemini is ruled by Mercury. So Mercury is the Lagan Lord or Lagnesh for this birth chart. In second house, 4 is mentioned. It means second house is ruled by Moon. In the same way, in 7th house, number 9, that is Sagittarius is mentioned, and Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. Now suppose in this birth chart, Sun is placed in 5th house of the birth chart. So Sun is in Libra. And we know in Libra, Sun is debilitated. Now in this birth chart, debilitation of Sun will get cancelled if Lord of 5th house is in Kendra from Moon, as we have mentioned in the rule. A planet achieves Nijbhang or debilitation if lord of the house where the planet is debilitated is in Kendra from moon. So debilitated planet is sun, and lord of the house where sun is placed is Venus, because Libra is ruled by Venus. So it should be in Kendra from moon. So if moon is in 7th house of this birth chart, then Venus should be in Kendra from moon, that is in 1st house from moon, in 4th house from moon, in 7th house from moon, or in 10th house from moon. So if Venus is in 7th house of this birth chart, or 10th house, or 1st house, or 4th house, then debilitation of sun will get cancelled. Take one more example. Suppose Jupiter is debilitated in this birth chart. So as we know, Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn. So Jupiter will be in 8th house of this birth chart. Debilitation of Jupiter will get cancelled if lord of this house is in Kendra from moon. Now Jupiter is debilitated in sign number 10, and which planet rules sign number 10? Saturn. So Saturn should be in Kendra from moon. So if Saturn is placed in 10th house of this birth chart, or in 1st house, or in 4th house, or in 7th house with moon, then debilitation of Jupiter will get cancelled. Rule 2. Exaltation lord of debilitated planet is in Kendra from moon. So exaltation lord of sun. Sun is exalted in Aries. Aries is ruled by Mars. So Mars is the exaltation lord of sun. So what is the rule? Exaltation lord of debilitated planet is in Kendra from moon. So in this case, for sun, if Mars is in Kendra from moon, debilitation of sun will get cancelled. So in this birth chart, sun is debilitated in 5th house and moon is placed in 9th house. So if Mars is placed in Kendra from moon, that is, if Mars is placed in 9th house, or 12th house, or 3rd house, or 6th house of this birth chart, sun will achieve Nijbhang, or debilitation of sun will get cancelled, and we will start getting good results of sun in this birth chart. Next, debilitated planet has relationship with its exaltation lord. Relationship means debilitated planet should be conjunct with exaltation lord, or debilitated planet is aspected by its exaltation lord. Then debilitation gets cancelled and person starts getting results like a Rajyog. So in this example, sun is debilitated in Libra. As we have discussed above, sun is exalted in Aries. Aries is ruled by Mars. So Mars is the exaltation lord of sun. So if in this birth chart, sun is conjunct with Mars or sun is aspected by Mars, debilitation of sun will get cancelled. So if Mars is placed in 5th house of this birth chart, debilitation of sun will get cancelled. Or if Mars is aspecting sun, so we know Mars has 3 aspects: 4th aspect, 7th aspect and 8th aspect. So if Mars is in 10th house or 11th house or 2nd house of this birth chart, then Mars will aspect sun and debilitation of sun will get cancelled in this case. Debilitation of planet gets cancelled if debilitated planet has relationship with its debilitation lord. Relationship means either debilitated planet is conjunct with debilitation lord or debilitated planet is aspected by its debilitation lord. Then its debilitation gets cancelled. That is, Nijbhang is achieved. In this birth chart, debilitation lord of sun is Venus because Libra is ruled by Venus. So if in this birth chart, sun is conjunct with Venus in 5th house, debilitation of sun gets cancelled and person will get results like Raj Yoga. Or if in this birth chart, Sun is aspected by Venus, then debilitation of Sun will get cancelled. Now remember, Venus has only one aspect, 7th aspect. So if Venus has two aspect Sun, then in this birth chart, Venus should be in 11th house of the birth chart. So in that case, debilitation of Sun will get cancelled and person will receive results like Raj Yoga. Subscribe the channel for informative, well-explained sessions in Vedic astrology. And please don't forget to hit the like button. Next, if debilitation lord is exalted in the birth chart, debilitation of the planet gets cancelled. In this birth chart, Sun is debilitated in sign number 7 in Libra. So lord of debilitation of Sun is Venus. And Venus is exalted in Pisces in sign number 12. So if Venus is placed in sign number 12 and Sun is debilitated, in that case, debilitation of Sun will get cancelled. And Sun will start giving good results to the person, like a Raj Yoga. If debilitation lord is exalted and aspects debilitated planet, debilitation gets cancelled and planet starts giving very good results. It forms a powerful Raj Yoga. For example, for Cancer ascendant, if Mercury is debilitated, then Mercury is placed in sign number 12 in Pisces because Mercury is debilitated in Pisces. Now, Lord of Pisces is Jupiter. So according to rule, debilitation lord of Mercury is Jupiter. So if Jupiter is exalted in this birth chart and also aspects Mercury, and we know Jupiter is exalted in Cancer. So if in this birth chart, if Jupiter is placed in first house, then Jupiter is exalted and Jupiter also aspects Mercury with 9th aspect. So debilitation of Mercury gets cancelled and a good Neej Bhang Raj Yoga is formed. If two debilitated planets aspect each other in the birth chart, then their debilitation gets cancelled and both the planets start giving good results in the birth chart. For example, for Aries ascendant, Saturn and Sun are debilitated. Saturn is debilitated in Aries and Sun is debilitated in Libra. Now both Saturn and Sun are aspecting each other. So in this case, each of them will cancel the debilitation of the other planet and both will start giving good results to the person, forming a Raj Yoga. If debilitated planet is conjunct with exalted planet in the birth chart, its debilitation gets cancelled and person starts getting good results related to that planet in the birth chart. For example, if for Cancer ascendant, Mars is debilitated, then Mars is debilitated in sign number 4 and Jupiter is also placed in this house because Jupiter is exalted in this house. So Mars is debilitated here and Jupiter is exalted here. In this case, Jupiter will cancel the debilitation of Mars. So Mars will start giving good results to the person. If in a birth chart, debilitated planet exchanges sign with its debilitation lord, its debilitation gets cancelled and it starts giving good results, forming Neej Bhang Raj Yoga. In this example, ascendant is Gemini, and if Sun is in 5th house and Venus is in 3rd house of the birth chart, then Sun is debilitated because in Libra, Sun becomes debilitated and Lord of Libra is Venus, which is in 3rd house, ruled by Sun. Because in 3rd house is sign 5, that is Leo, which is ruled by Sun. Therefore, for this birth chart, debilitation of Sun gets cancelled as Sun has exchanged sign with its debilitation lord and a good Neej Bhang Raj Yoga is formed. Debilitation of planet is a very common phenomena in a birth chart. So if you have any debilitated planet in your birth chart, apply the rules and cancel the debilitation of the planet. Once the debilitation gets cancelled, Neech Bhang Raj Yoga is achieved and the person start getting good results related to that planet in the Mahadasha and Antardasha of the planets involved in forming Neech Bhang Raj Yoga. How powerful this Raj Yoga will be? If Neech Bhang is being achieved by applying more than one rule, Raj Yoga becomes more powerful. And if Raj Yoga is being formed in Kendra houses and Trikona houses, it further becomes powerful and has the potential to give very good results to the person. The results a planet can deliver in a particular house of a horoscope depend not only on its position in the horoscope but also on number of factors like its placement, conjunction with other planets, aspects of other planets, house lord positions, etc. All these need to be studied collectively to draw inferences. First step is to master all fundamental rules. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic astrology classes session 133.